have I ever been a side chick before?
No, yeah. Wow, no, that's Wagwan guys, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing a never have I ever challenge, and today I have with me a Shanoya from a previous video. My best friend does my makeup challenge. So if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check that out. The link to it will be in the description box. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, drop a comment in the comment section. Enjoy guys, let's jump into it.
Never have I ever been a side chick before.
No, yeah. Wow, no, that's all.
Me not think about that one. I never be one side chick.
Oh, I did all.
Oh.
I have. It's not a healthy thing though, so I wouldn't recommend it for any female. Don't do it. It doesn't make any sense. Find your own hair.
Don't do it.
Excuse me. Anyway, next question. Me ask something because you just lick me down with that question there. Alright, never have I ever cheated in a relationship. Oh, you hear crickets now? Back long ages and you realize that it don't make no sense, isn't it? Alright, your turn again, Mama.
My
question
turn.
kill me though. Speak it.
May I ask a question?
Okay.
Never have I ever eaten a toddler's food before.
Hey, we give you know. They say don't eat little bit of food, but why? And why I don't want it sometimes? And you did say,
Boy, I know this taste. So
so I have for me, I have. But that no say me eat out them food and them hungry. No, but
we
sometimes.
eat the food. I'll give
Yeah.
them done. I'll give them
We
the
help
food.
them eat it.
Yeah, never taste the food. The peach one and the mango one.
No,
Oh,
like
God,
that.
girl.
May I ask that question now? Why? You don't wanna know. Never have I ever fight over a man. Now that's too much drama for me. People grow up that by now. People understand things on a different level now. So for me, it's a never.
Hello, then there's
It's a waste of time to fight over someone. If they
Means
want,
a girl will not fight over man.
who I gonna ask the question? You.
Me.
The question is simple now. Jeez and peace. The question is
Never have I ever slept in a car before.
I have.
Never. What do you mean by sleep in a car? Like sleep in a
Hello,
car?
no, but I think otherwise, you know. I mean,
That's
sleep
your
as in like, me not go lie. One time, you know, picnic can be a little bit rude. Parents can get angry, so we end up have to sleep in our brother car. Like we take time run going up because we don't want to we prefer sleep in the car than to get the beating. And me didn't go get the no beating the day so sleep in that
Never
car.
sleep in a car yet. I never sleep in a car
Yeah,
yet.
it's not a good thing to do. Oh,
I think I the best.
I did in the yard still, but me insist me not get no beating. Alright,
Me get
my
knocked out of
turn.
my house before. I can't go back in.
My turn.
How are you doing, sir?
Never have I ever have a one night stand. No, you know, say
Never.
blah.
Now my thing that.
That thing there, I know them kind of like.
No.
No, for real,
No,
no.
for real, no.
No, some people do it. You know, some ain't come from.
But I
But
think
you
that-
know, people have them weird.
That people have them stuff about them. Some people just rather go
Yeah, they
one
get
night
kind of
stand,
rush
no
from
string
that time.
attached thing. Then people like their relationship.
And you
My
know who
relationship-
mostly do that, right? Man, man. Alright, your turn.
My question. Never have I ever had a crush on a dancehall artist.
Now you know, so we have a crush for the dancer. Like, I mean, you know, them look nice on things. Well, my crush
Well,
is
I have.
I obtain. I love him just look nice.
Let me ask you a question. What make you have a useful crush? I have 10, you know.
No. Try find another one. Try find another one.
Joke. So conscience.
So I would say I have.
Conscience. Yeah, conscience. Conscience. Not I don't kill me, but conscience. Boy, you're hot.
Okay. No, yeah.
You're hot.
Well, I exchange for me. Anyway, my turn. Never have I ever smoked weed before. Basically, almost every if you do a survey and every Jamaican, they say yeah they have tried. It's yeah. So everybody wants to see where everybody get to smoking weed. So we try it, but nah, it just don't make things. So
My experience, what?
smoking, yeah. But one time I eat it with sausage.
What you saying?
And I was about to do a show, and me said, the whole of we did the dance and think so we are kill the show, not realize it's a big mistake we are make. Me say me feel heavy, me can't walk, nothing. Come like me want jump out all out of bus. I just saw them mess up there.
The first time I did, my brain nearly go on me.
Me just want to run up and down. Never again, that thing is not for me.
I laugh.
I think that my youth. Alright, so, for you?
My question. Never have I ever gone skinny dipping before. Never. I would try it though if it's in the back of my yard and it's
somewhere
the yard
that is
space.
a lot more discreet, somewhere where nobody
Not see you. Yes,
because we did a skinny dip in front
and everybody see.
yeah. Alright, so you wanna know that one.
That already.
Alright, this one. A lot of female artists I was asking about this. Never have I ever take people man before.
What?
You never hear me just say never have I ever take people man before. Like mackerel was a come on. No sir. To be
Then they
honest,
sitting in a jeans.
I hold this as no, I would say because
Me a good girl. You know.
enough
She a
fear,
good
enough
girl.
fear, enough fear,
We are good
enough
girl.
fear.
We
Enough
a good
fear.
girl.
That's why
We don't do that stuff.
nah.
We don't mash up people relationship.
Yeah, we no bad stuff.
And we no side chick neither.
Well, we were once.
You were.
I said previously. Once. Alright. So, then another one here, so here one.
Funny question.
Basically, we have various question.
Oh!
I got one. Never have I ever fart in front a person you really like before.
Me know me do that so me can't hide it.
Listen to me. I'm not saying we don't have like a decency boy, but sometimes it's unexpected. It just come on. Like you be like,
Guys,
how did and then you have to pretend like
ladylike.
you're weird too and
Ladylike.
it make you smell it first and say, oh that you be like, God, they're nasty man. And you be you know what say you.
I would do that.
Hey, you have worry where you be like,
It's not
them are dead enough. But you know, say, to be honest, I even did that once. Like I was at backstage. We were about to go on stage. Remember, people are the people I'm tired. I know some people are breathe hard when time them I go on stage. We go perform and and nearly dead. Who did that? Me say. I couldn't hide it. Me when me start laughing at me say hush because at the moment I couldn't excuse myself because I was about to go on stage. So people
Because they wear them man, but guys, sometimes the fart come down, you have to just let it go. You can't hold up your pride is
yeah. All you have to do is just when it's out, if you can control it sometimes though you should go aside or
I would develop them people
Yeah.
and you kill them.
must see Mary Lee.
Mary, stop themselves.
Ooh.
Mine.
Oh, never have I ever dressed up as the other sex before.
I have never done that. I'm always girl.
I have.
I am always girl.
Because to be honest, I like to see me like how male dress, especially them dress neat. Me not the jump pants and them no, but we see when them look well swagging and them tight pants and them just neat, them not too extra, them just clean and nice. So me used to like that little dresses. So I used to do that. But as a girl, you don't look away if you just as a man and you have your man inside of you in a one party. And to one just like a man.
It can just
So
like a man.
that
Like
it
a
kind of
fish
made me
food.
just decide say nah. But I still got
Me not inna the dress up like a man thing. Me love
it's fun.
girl.
Sometimes be
long
me
hair,
not,
me eyelash.
yeah, sometimes being a little youngster or something. Body, you know,
Nothing wrong with it. Me just saying. Some me not like. Just like overall.
Alright.
My
This is a
question.
very weird one.
My question.
Yeah, you ask.
Alright, so never have I ever stolen from my parents.
Don't kill us so. We are sorry. We are sorry, but
We are so sorry. It's no we can tell you about the stealing.
you know, like sometimes you're really hungry and you want some food out of the pot. You have to steal out.
Your teeth. You don't care for your teeth.
So wait, I wear your teeth, big man. Wait, they want to go on so.
Mommy not kill me. Now you go watch me, but don't kill me. So back then when you go to school and you need like $50 and you need $100 to buy one extra sweet or $20. You know that when they use the TV little silver out of piggy banks. They used to do that. But not tell no lie. Me used to TV dollars them out of piggy
Yeah,
bank.
but me not go
But me
beyond
not
that.
even
Like
big
a
money.
big old
10,000
10,000. I would take something them, man.
or $1,000. We take
Oh,
a 50.
how not still.
Me not tell no lie. Me take a little 50. Me take a little 10. Me take a little 20. But me not go over that because mommy I go miss the money.
Alright, I have one.
Next question.
For me. Never have I ever fight in public before. I have. One time. So just funny, you know, in my whole life I only ever engage myself in a fight. Get myself in a
I fought 2 times in public. Primary school and high school.
For me it was high school.
And guys, let me tell you about this story.
And most people would have said, oh, I didn't win. But it wasn't a very horrible fight where I stone and all. It didn't really rain. But
Never tell about this
I
story.
tell you only fight me doing.
When the fat girl sit down for me at school.
Oh God!
What? What the fuck?
Oh, sorry about that. Well, we never know any time if we assist you, isn't it?
Why? The girl fat, the girl just take me and feed me and go and sit down for me blank.
So guys, if you're wondering why is it that I have the text on the screen, it's because the signs are turned the wrong way. But anyways, I want to give a shout out to Fred Samuel. His channel name is It's Game Time. Go on over there, show him some love, subscribe to his channel, tell him that Nisha sent you guys. Alright?
So we long.
Never have I ever hide
Why your
a
face
teeth
looks
piece before.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Come on now.
Never have I
Woody
ever
Birdie.
had on TV.
Deep scratch.
My friend had on TV enough time.
You have?
Yes.
You're a bad girl.
Yeah,
You're a
you know,
bad
had on
girl.
TV, so we got time.
Have I though?
course I had
Well,
on
I
TV.
did.
Hide and TP enough time, me and you know.
I can't manage you know. This is not for me.
Hide and talk. There are nothing with that hide and talk about. Alright guys, next question. Never have I ever wished to marry a superstar. Tell me, you go first.
Oh God. I have.
Who?
Oh. Chadwick. What's the last name? Bossman or Bossman, but me not say Bossman. Believe me. Chadwick Bossman, oh God. I don't know, but him just have a but I like if I the same kind of personality I have in real life.
Yeah,
Fine by me. He married and locked down and everything.
Anyways, me have.
You?
wanna know who?
Who that now?
Yeah.
Drum roll. Oh.
Nick Cannon.
Can I look? Mommy. I can't believe I'm mad at this. Yeah.
So Nick Cannon is my superstar crush.
Well,
Yeah.
like, you're not married if you get
Yeah.
the chance. Oh,
Yeah, if me me get a chance.
Flying colors.
Nick can look down there where you do.
Yeah, our Chadwick goes mad.
And all of that, so we only can wish.
Yes, and dream about it.
It not gonna happen. Anyways,
Oh, by the way, Chadwick Boseman is the guy who acting Black Panther. Just in case people might be wondering, because most people might know
me
him
have
as
one
Black
more
Panther.
crush. You know, conceded.
No, you have too much now.
Conceded from what name?
You don't even.
While I know. Conceded. That's the short. You could tick. You know.
Okay.
So that's a two guy.
Right.
No more question. No more question.
I guess that's it.
And there you have it, guys. So this is the end of the video. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow her on Instagram. What's your name?
20 Spark.
There we have it. You can also follow me on all my social medias. They will be on the bottom of the screen. Bye, guys.